Hey, I'm going to do a quick little video now that shows you how to app smash MagicSchool AI and Canva to create some digital flashcards. Let's check it out. Alright, so we will be starting first in Canva. As you can see here, I have a couple of sample or example slides pulled open with the science, biology, cell theme. Now, in order to get to bulk create, we're going to go to this left-hand side and we're going to click on the apps tray. And once this opens, what you see here changes from week to week or month to month. So just scroll down and look for bulk create. As of this recording, it's docked right here. We'll click that, open it. Once you click on it, you'll see a new screen that it appears. We have the option to upload data from a spreadsheet, but we can also enter it manually, and that's how we're going to proceed today. By clicking here. Once you click that, you are given a simple spreadsheet with some pre-filled data. We're going to eventually erase this data. We won't be needing this, but I think it's nice that Canva has some stuff here for you to work off of. Now we will flip over to MagicSchool AI and let Raina work the magic. Once you've logged into MagicSchool AI, you notice that you have the magic tools, but you've also got Raina the chatbot. I'm going to use her to create a simple prompt with 2 columns. In that first column, I want to have some very specific vocabulary words that my students are going to need to know for this unit. So in this sample, since I used a cell theme in the slide deck, I'm actually just going to list some organelles here or some cell related vocabulary words that I want my students to know. So you can kind of see the prompt I'm using here. You don't have to copy and paste this prompt. You can make it work for you, but this one I did find to be very successful. Now notice that I also asked Raina to write this on a 6th grade level so that it would be appropriate for the students that I'm creating this for. Now, after I've entered that prompt, I'm going to click create and we will see Raina work her magic right away. You can see an incredible spreadsheet being created here for me, or a data table. I can then click on the 3 dots and click copy, and then we're going to jump back into Canva. So now that we are back in Canva, we're going to click on this first cell and we're going to click Control V to paste that in. Right? So all that data shows up there for me. Awesome, brilliant. I'm going to go ahead and change this first name to say word, and I'll change this one to say definition, just so I kind of keep track of myself. You'll notice that row 1 is a little wrong, so I'm going to delete that. We don't need that anymore. I'll scroll all the way to the bottom now and click done. Now here comes the important part. We need to link up this data. So I'm going to come to my slide deck. I'm going to click connect data, and then I'll click on word. I'm going to go down to the next slide, click definition, right click on there, and we're going to click connect data, and then we're going to click definition. So we've linked that data. We've connected it. Now we'll click continue. We're going to generate 10 designs, and voila, just like that, we've created digital study tools for our students to work with. We created a digital set of flashcards for our student to work from. So really impressive. As I scroll through, everything looks right. You're going to want to check and make sure none of your words got cut off or moved to the next line. So give it a quick check, but this looks great. I love what I'm seeing here, and I think this is going to be a great resource for students. Alright, so now let's switch gears and think about practical applications. How can I actually use this? My first thought is for foreign language, a French or a Spanish class, or even ML students who are learning English. This would be a great resource for them to use. If you're thinking about younger kiddos, you could create digital flashcards with sight words, with customized images. Now, you're going to have to upload those images to Canva, but you can do that. If you're doing vocabulary building in science, history, geography, or anything where you're just learning new vocabulary, this is a great tool for that. A character profile, or a description of a character. If you, from the teacher perspective, if you want to curate a custom list of brain breaks using MagicSchool AI and Canva, this is a great way to do that. If you're willing to print this, you could do a lot of fun interactive activities in your class, like I has, who has, where students have to match up with those vocabulary words. Last but not least, how about creating customized certificates for your students? Use Raina to help write personalized descriptions or profiles for each student, then allow Canva to bulk create those in no time. All right. I hope you found this helpful, informative, and applicable. Thanks for watching. I look forward to hearing the creative ways you'll app smash with MagicSchool AI and Canva.